Find the following integrals. So we've got the integral of 4x minus 3 to the power of 4 dx and the integral of 2 minus 3x all to the power of 1/3 dx. Okay, what we've got to remember is that integration is the reverse process of differentiation, and we can use this idea that it's a reverse process to find the actual integral of integrals like this. So write down the integral. The integral of 4x minus 3 to the power of 4 dx, and this is what you do. You're going to try 4x minus 3 to the power of 5, i.e. integration normally means raise the power by 1. And what we're going to do to check to see if that's the right answer or not, so this is sort of a guess of what the right answer is, we're going to differentiate this and see what we get. So if we differentiate this, we get a 5, we bring the 5 down, we write down the bracket, we reduce the power by 1, and we differentiate the bracket as well to get a 4, and that's called using the chain rule. 5 times 4 is 20, now I've written that on red in purpose, and then we've got 4x minus 3 to the power of 4. Now, we were integrating 4x minus 3 to the power of 4, okay, and we said that that was the answer, but unfortunately we've got 20 times too much of what we actually wanted. We actually wanted 1 times that. So to compensate from that, we need to put in here a 1 over 20 bracket 4x minus 3 to the power of 5 plus c. Okay, so that's how the process works. Let's have a look again with something a little bit more difficult. So the integral of 2 minus 3x to the power of 1/3 dx. So my guess will be 2x minus 3x, add 1 to 1/3, which gives me 4 over 3, and then differentiate that. Okay, so what we're going to do is to differentiate that, we're going to bring the power down in front, so 4 over 3, write down the bracket, which is 2 minus 3x, and then reduce the power by 1, which is 1/3. Then we need to differentiate the bracket to get a minus 3, and then combining this, the 3's will cancel, and we're just left with a minus 4, 2 minus 3x, the 1/3. However, we only wanted 1, so we've got minus 4 times too much. So we're going to compensate by putting in a minus 1/4, and then my guess, which is 2 minus 3x to the power of 4 over 3 plus c. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to do integration as a reverse of the chain rule. Thank you very much for watching.